All right, got online to find a cold air charge cooler or a intercooler, whatever you want to call it, test kit, pressure test kit. They're over $300, depending on where you go, whatever. Pretty sure mine's leaking. This is it right here. Bracket on my AC condenser broke. The AC condenser's been banging against it. I got another person that drives this truck. So I said, over $300, I'm not paying that, so I decided to build my own. Went to the hardware store. This is what I come up with. All right, so obviously ball valve, pressure gauge, pressure adjuster. Had this hose built, runs up here, PVC all the way up. Now originally this is what I had. However, I took the guy's word for this on the measurement instead of measuring it myself. So I just had to go down to the hardware store, buy this piece and this reducer so it'd fit into the boot here. Now, not 100% sure this is going to work. This is the first test here. All this stuff is glued very well. You know, I'm hoping it holds. The only thing I'm concerned about is this here. It's slick going in there. That's why I originally bought one with threads so it would bite. But that may be a good thing. Maybe it won't tear up my boot. This here, I drilled and tapped the cap for the air fitting. Here, I'll show you. So I'm hoping with that, it'll hold, basically. Put a washer, glued it. There's a washer on the inside with a nut as well. So not only is it drilled and tapped and screwed in there, I've got the two washers and the nut on the back side of this air fitting pressing it together. All right, air compressor's charged up. I've got my pressure gauge, I've got it turned all the way down. Sorry, I'm trying to do everything and record at the same time. So I'm gonna crack it real easy and see where we go. Alrighty, that's good. Now let's start adjusting the pressure. Boy, y'all are gonna hate this damn video. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I just opened the valve up to let air through. It's not holding air pressure whatsoever. And it is blowing big time right here. So, 100% sure it's leaking, and it appears that this works. So, we're going to shut it off. Ow, damn. So, the other side I've got hooked up. Still, see it right there, I've got it still hooked up to the intake. I was watching Adapt 8 online, some of the stuff he's doing, and go watch his video. You'll see why I left that hooked up. Also, I made this cap, which obviously is not going to fit in that boot, as a plug, so I'll also have to reduce that down. That's it. If you want to know what all I got into it, like I said, it's $105. You got your air fitting, ball valve, adapter to go from your pressure gauge and your pressure adjuster here. Again, I went to my local auto parts store, had them press up this hose for me. This is a hydraulic line actually, but you know, 6,000 psi working pressure, so don't think we're gonna bust it with a 30 psi pressure test. Obviously, they pressed on, you know, what I needed here. This is the adapter. Again, quick connect. This is 4-inch Schedule 40. This plug screws in, and then I've got it glued into a reducer. Now, highly recommend you measure, because again, this was 4.5 inches here, not 4 inches. So I had to step it down here. So all in all, I've got $120 into making this versus paying over I think I got quote was $361. So hope y'all like it. Bye.